Good day, guys. It's Mr. Now Gold Digger. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today is the fifth day or the day five of our challenge, growing our $100 account to $1,000. And today we just took a buy trade. So stick to the end of this video, guys, because I'll be explaining the setup from entry to exit. So let's get right into it real quick. So if you look at the chart closely, you will see that the market just gave us our internal breakup structure to the upside. Take note, guys, this is not our overall breakup structure. It's the internal breakup structure to the upside. You can see right here. And immediately we got our breakup structure, internal structure broken. Market came back to this zone and it created our double top, giving us our bearish rejection. And as you can see, immediately it created this second top. It gravitated to the downside and immediately price came to this zone. I want to show you guys something clearly at the 15-minute chart. At the 5-minute chart, look at the zone, you will see that we had multiple weak rejection at this zone. One, two, three, four, five, six multiple weak rejection. And guys, we had a high impact news coming out today. Actually, it already came out, and some of the jobless claims, some of the news came out worse than expected, and some actually came out better than expected. But we are not buying that actually. We are still sticking to the structure, but I'm betting my trade on buys and not on sells. So watch closely what the market did. And if you look at this zone right here, this zone I mark, this our support level, it was a strong zone, or should I say it's still a strong zone, because if you look, whenever market mitigate it, it always reject the zone. So it's always a strong support level or resistance zone. So immediately price mitigated our level right here. You can see it pushed to the upside and gave us our market shift right here, our change of character right here. And after that, it came back down to sweep overall liquidity. Because if you look right here, you would think that this is a liquidity sweep, but unfortunately, all these stops here was just an inducement. Because before smart money they push price to their original direction, they need some form of liquidity. So they are going to manipulate the price to stop retail traders, to stop beginner traders out before pushing the market to their direction. And look clearly, after market came up to this zone, broke past this former zone, support zone right here, it came back and swept the overall liquidity. You can see the overall liquidity right here below this zone. Our internal range liquidity sweep right here, it swept the overall liquidity below all this inducement right here, and it gave us also external range liquidity sweep. It swept the liquidity below all these lows right here before pushing to the upside. So guys, that's why we clearly took our buy trade upon this weak rejection right here, which we always do. You can see, you can sort my video by the last and see, watch my setup, watch my strategy, and you see that this is what I do all day. This is the kind of setup I take all day. And currently now we are running in profit. Actually, we are just watching the market, waiting for price to hit our take profit, even though the market is kind of playing with our feelings right now. But yeah, we are going to wait, guys. That's the hardest part. We've done the easy part. Now we're just waiting for the hard part, which is what? Waiting, patience. But we have a good trading strategy. We have a trusted system that we trade with. So it erases the fear, the doubt, the FOMO, and everything, because we trade like this quarterly, yearly, annually, daily. Every time we trade with our structured system. So we have nothing to worry about, guys. So we'll just be waiting for this trade to smash our take profit, because I have a strong conviction for this setup alone, and I'll take and I'll bet my money all day on this setup. So guys, let's see how it goes. Whoa, you can see how the momentum is now in the market. We currently, I think we just entered the New York section. You can see right here, we just entered the New York session, and price, the momentum of price right now is massive and crazy, guys. You can see how price is just gravitating to our take profit, guys. Yo, yo, guys, we're almost at our TP, guys. Whoa, we are running currently $152 on gold right now. Yo guys, yo, should I close the trade now or I should wait to smash our take profit? Because right now we already hit about 1:3 weeks to reward. It's not bad, but we'll be waiting for our take profit to be hit because why? We trust our setup. Yo guys, you can't just fake this, guys. This is not the bar replay. This is the live market chart. This is the live chart for gold. We just smashed our take profit, guys, giving us confirmation that our trade idea is actually right. And I told you guys, whenever there's high impact news, the smart money they tend to tweak price and sweep weak hands out before going to its original direction, because that's what smart traders, that's what profitable traders do, and that's what position size traders do also. They trade whenever the retail traders have been stopped out. So we are part of the profitable traders, guys. That's why we have to trade like them. And you can see clearly that we just hit our take profit right now. Although it's not closed in my MT5, so I want to close it right now. I want to close the trade right now. And I want you guys to hear how satisfying that MT5 sounds. So I'll be closing the trade right now. Closed. We have closed the position. I don't know if you heard that sound, but it's actually very, very satisfying whenever you close your trade on profit. So, guys, today alone, we because of structure and because of the purpose of this challenge, I have to close the trade. I close the trade manually because we are taking a challenge and I don't want to be greedy holding my position. If I was to be trading without this challenge, I think I'll be holding one position to go to wherever it wants to go and close the other position. But now, for the sake of this challenge, I closed every position. So we'll be taking our trades gradually till we hit our $1,000 mark. So we are up about $883 now in our $100 account. Is that not massive, guys? I told you we got the best strategy out there. We got the best gold trading strategy out there. Just stick to your rules, stick to your structure, always adhere to your plan, and this will be you one day, guys, hitting profit, hitting your TP back to back to back to back. Like, I'm still in shock, guys, because this is the fastest trade I've ever taken this year. Like this year entirely, from January to this point, this is the fastest trade I've ever taken. And you guys can see that this video won't be long that much because we just entered and smashed our take profit, guys. That's one of the best experience in trading. You can just get in and get out and find something else to do with your time. That's very, very amazing, guys. So if you know that this my content is very, very helpful, it educates you a lot in trading, make sure you click the subscribe button, like, and you share. And if you want to join us to make money, you can click the link on my description too to join my Telegram channel and copy our trade, guys. So I will see you guys on the sixth day of our challenge.